this is a quick review of the DANGTOP brand of bamboo cooling blankets. Check the description for a link to the blankets I'm reviewing. If you have never owned a cooling blanket before, you may wonder if they actually work and if they are worth buying. The answer is, it depends. My DANGTOP cooling blanket does keep me cool at night. Sometimes during the night, I have to remove it because it feels so cold. So yes, in my experience, these blankets do work. However, that's with the air conditioner set at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius, and a ceiling fan running all night. According to DANGTOP's product listing,
cooling bamboo blanket has a better cooling effect when used with fans or air conditioners, which can quickly reduce the body temperature by about 2 to 4 degrees. Even 1 degree makes a big difference when sleeping.
The best size to get is something else you should consider before buying one of these blankets. I have a king-size bed, but I use a twin-size blanket. I wrap it around myself and then remove it if it gets too cold. But buying a smaller size also has another benefit. The blankets are made from bamboo fibers and either have to be hand-washed or washed on a delicate machine cycle. To avoid damaging the blanket, you have to put it in a mesh laundry bag. The DANGTOP brand blankets should come with one. I wash mine in a mesh bag in the washing machine with cold water using the delicate setting. And I haven't had any issues with damage to the blanket. You either have to hang dry the blanket or use your dryer's air dry or no heat setting. Even though the blankets are very thin, they take a while to dry. The bigger the blanket, the longer it will take to dry. Even though they are very thin, it usually takes a couple of days for my twin-size blanket to hang dry. The DANGTOP product listing also says,
don't dry the bamboo blanket in the sun. Don't bleach or dry clean, or the service life of the bamboo fiber blanket will be shortened.
So to sum up, yes, these blankets do work, but you need to be in an environment that's already cool for them to be effective. I use mine to save money on air conditioning. I can keep my air conditioner at a higher setting without getting too hot in the middle of the night. If you are interested in buying one of these blankets, I have a link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra to buy through this link, but it does help to support the channel.
Hi there. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please give it a thumbs up. And click that subscribe button.